My, I told y'all it was going to be a treat today. Look at them chemtrails, people.
It's a good day to look at beautiful rocks.
It is a great day to look at beautiful rocks, my godchild says. Okay. I'm going to scan over here to my right real quick.
This grass feels like there's something under it.
Hold on. Might be something up there on top. I do not have my filter on, people. Okay, I do not. Something's going on right there. And chemtrails are extensive. Extensive, I tell you. Check out the structure, people. I know you see it right there. Yep. And chemtrails are, look how thick they got already. That quickly. Show you while they're chemtrailing. Get a really good look while you can, because I'm about to filter it. And you can see even more. Check it out. What do you think of this guy?
It looks good. It's better than the last time.
What was the last time like?
Raining and it had ice on the electric. And then we had to move to another room.
Yeah, it gets like that sometimes. Alright, I'm going to try to focus without shaking right here with no filter for a moment.
How many minutes until always turn over?
Oh, didn't I just give you 5 minutes for asking? Give you 5 minutes extra because you kept asking me that, and now you're going to come out here and ask me. So you want your brother to have 5 more minutes? Then don't ask me again. Fair is fair. That's your son, people. Sorry, I'm shaking just a bit.
This is the best day. Big rock.
Alright. We're going to put the filter on now. I'm going to give you one more go around before I put the filter on. Hold on. Again, no filter yet. They can't hide this much longer. They just can't. Look at that hawk.
Look, I found a wishing flower.
He is absolutely enormous. Hold on, baby boy. I heard you. Look at him. Look at the hawk. Eagle. Look, are you looking?
Yeah.
He's huge, isn't he?
Can I show this flower to Ari?
Yeah. Go ahead. There's some more way up there. Alright, here we go with the filter. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And we are closing the filter, securing it so no light comes in. And there you have it. As I've stated before, behind every chemtrail, you will find the answer. I really am trying to be still, people. I need a tripod. Anybody want to send me one? Arthritis in my hands, kicking my tail.
Hey, I made my wish of the wishing flower.
Oh yeah?
I said I wish I had a speed hopping suit and not advanced warfare.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys.
That's all that I need.
There you have it, right there. It is, right there,
Where?
up in the sky beside the sun is another sun.
Yep. You were right.
I am. Some things never change, do they? Auntie is always taking photos of the sky. I'm gonna cut it because I know you guys don't like the long videos, but I'm gonna go right back into another one. Check out part 2, 3. Heck, I've shot so many today, I gotta pick and choose. But there you have it. I'm gonna scan one more time with it on. Bring it down for you. I'm in a new area too. I got all kind of people looking at me like, what are you doing? I think I'm just gonna start handing out memos. Definitely structure right over there. Yes, baby. Oh, that's a daisy.
It got cutted.
It got cutted.
Yeah.
Did that make any sense to you? And there you have it. The filters work, people. Use them. Ooh, check this out now. This is a dead giveaway for me. Do you see how solid this is?
I just saw a beat.
Do you
with
see
the,
that, people? Hold
I
on,
just
hold
saw
on. Hold on 1 second, baby. Tell me you see this.
I just saw a beat.
That's a craft,
taking
my
a picture
friends.
with the rope.
Yeah. Craft. Really big craft. Same area I was pointing at in my other video where I saw structure.
Here, one for you.
Of course it's gonna fade off, and let's see what else we got going on over here.
Here, one for you.
Thank you, baby. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna put it in my hair. Alright, China Miss Jones. Oh, check out the craft now, people. Hold on. Do you see this? Dun, 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 dun. Has anyone seen the movie Arrival? The new Arrival? Y'all got to see it. Clearly, I understood it. A lot of people were like, "Oh, it didn't make any sense." Well, if you don't know what I know, then it's not going to make any sense. All right. And there you have it. Love and light, everyone. See what it's doing. Take care. I'll be right back.